Hello, how's it going, everybody? It's June 4th, 2018. Harmontown is in a new venue at the beautiful Dynasty Typewriter at the Hayward Theater. Right here in MacArthur Park and the prestigious prostitution district. I'm very, very proud to be back, and I'm more proud to say out loud to all of y'all, Harmontown is now in session. Yeah, this place is groovy. Speaking of groovy, let's bring out the game master, Spencer Crittenden.
Oh, yeah.
And just to keep things consistent, how about a mayor up in this piece? Let's welcome your mayor, Mr. Dan Harmon.
Yo, 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 yeah, 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 yo, yeah, 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 hip hop, HIP, HOP to the HP, Lovecraft, Cthulhu. I'm gonna rap, cause that's what you do to me. You make me wanna rap free. I'm from the streets, but now I gotta pee in your mama's mouth. From the north and the south, and the east and the west, on her breast. Rapping is pretty easy, just like George loved Wheezy. You just rhyme certain words that tend to come up like little turds. The same words arrive when you're rapping live. You get some energy from the crowd, then you rap. Don't be loud! Thank you for setting me up for that. There's a lower bar for what's funny now. Thank God we were 8 months in a dark cave. I didn't cut my hair or shave. I was a lonely, sad, curmudgeonly knave. I rapped a lot about sadness. Now I'm back and talk about badness. I'm here at Dynasty Typewriter rapping about pee. All right, let's... Yeah. Hello, Los Angeles. I can't make eye contact with you yet. Have you noticed I haven't made eye contact with you?
This feels right. This feels like an old-timey vaudeville house meets movie theater meets, like, it's sexy in here. It smells like popcorn.
That's me. And I spent
you?
so long picking this shirt, and then it was like, oh, does the shirt go with the pant? And then there was pizza backstage, and there's just grease. Just spots all over.
Is this your way of subtly pointing out that you've lost quite a bit of weight, Dan Harmon?
Yeah, pizza stains is my way. Yeah, well, I mean, that's about it. I can't really, there's nothing to talk about. Let's see.